In this video, we'll cover how to set up and use SFTP connections to securely transfer files through Kron PAM. We begin by navigating to the Devices menu, where the system administrator will add a new device group designated for SFTP connections. This device group is created specifically for target servers that users will connect to via the SFTP protocol. After setting up the device group, the administrator adds the target server to this group. Next, to ensure users have the necessary permissions, the administrator adds the new device group to a realm. This realm defines which user groups can access the SFTP-connected device group. With the setup complete, let's see how an authorized user can initiate an SFTP connection. The user opens a native SFTP client, like FileZilla or WinSCP, and connects to Kron PAM's URL using the designated SFTP proxy port. This proxy setup provides a secure gateway, allowing the user to access only the devices permitted by the administrator. Once connected, the user can upload and download files as needed. Kron PAM logs all SFTP operations, ensuring that every file transfer action is tracked for accountability and security.